temple is not complete. At that time when this construction was, it was built in 190 years. 3 generations of people worked here. But if you look at these stones were put here and then carving was done. But if you see this here, this side they have carved and this is also complete. But this is not complete. Why? Because at that time invaders were here. They attacked and I mean, if you see, I'll show you. Come. Very nice. Look at that carving. The Ganesha, dancing Ganesha is there.
Dude, that's Varaha.
Where?
That's Varaha.
Oh, that's Varaha? No problem. Come. I'll show you Ganesha.
No, you said some destruction. Hey, what is this? Holy water?
Holy water is coming from. There is a Vishnu deity inside, right?
Deity?
Yeah.
Sanctum Sanctorium.
Sanctum. Okay. Another
Our
guide is here.
I'm just learning from him.
Helper.
No, look at that.
He's the intern.
Look at the artwork here. You can see the stone has been carved. This is single stone. This whole is a single stone. Look at the carving. It's very nice. Very nicely. People have spent years and
190 years.
Yeah. Whole age they'll be given one stone and their project work is to complete carving on that. Okay, fine. If you see there, this.
You said some.
Yeah.
What is that?
Oh, this is archaeological survey. Our archaeologists have actually tried to
Restore it.
the history, and they have just put one stone here, just such that the strength which is supported by the elephants is not gone. Take a video of this.
What is this? What is this?
Don't ask me. No names.
Shiva plus Vishnu.
No names. Look, if you see, some of these elephants and legs have been destroyed. This is because of the invader attack. Hey, no. Names illa mo.
No, he told
Hey, look at this. Tell the name. I told you earlier. Narasimha, correct. This guy knows that. Intern. Okay.
you see the intestine coming.
No. If you see that, that's not garland. That's how you tell. That's not garland. That's the intestine.
Hey, ಏನು ಫೋಟೋ ಹೊಡೆದ್ಯಾ? ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿಯಾ?
Okay, here if you see, a lot of history has been, carved here on these stones. These elephants for strength, this is for courage. Look at these lions, this row is for courage.
This is actually the symbol of Hoysala dynasty.
Lion head? Hoysala dynasty?
Yeah, Hoysala is name
Correct,
of the
this
dynasty.
guy correct. Come.
Intern is.
Even the Karnataka police is called.
ये डिपार्टमेंट आने के बाद बना दिया सर आजकल लोगों ने बनाया डिफरेंस दिखता है
So if I tell, no, this guy is also good, but not good. He'll charge you more. But if you see, at that time, this whole stone, this whole temple was painted with the mud. Okay, that mud is a special kind of, not normal mud. Okay, no, special mud was there. This has been painted with that, but with time it has corroded. Only the stone is left now. At some particular places, if you see here, there some mud you will see, such kind of things. Correct. Come. Okay. Look at the detail. I was telling you about the detail of this archaeology. Here, see, you can see my finger. Yes. From behind, right? So this is one stone. This is whole one stone, and its carving has been done. Look at it. Very nice. And some of this is damaged. Don't take damage.
Dude, you are.
Okay.